Have you ever been in search for meaning, in search for new possibilities? I have too. My name is Patricia, I am 49 and I have over 20 years experience in the fashion industry and a background in economics and finance. But since my lived transformation, my focus is on its transmission. Because to tell you my story truly only makes sense if it drives you to reinvent yourself. Have you ever been wondering, who is it in your decision-making process? Who is driving the boat? Is it your rationale? Or is it your emotions? What if you could unleash your creativity and see the big picture, the world in motion? What if, doing so, we could co-create, collaborate, co-use and correct our direction to catch the acceleration within our reach? To find out, join me at my What If Transformation Workshop at the virtual winter camp from the Pro Education platform for champions. See you there!